Live resin MCT oil infusion with the Mason pot kit. Let's go. Got it right here. All we're gonna do is simply open it up, set it in the Mason pot jar. You can see it through the pothole in the back. We're gonna screw the lid on. We're gonna put it in the oven, 240 degrees for 40 minutes approximately. The beauty of the pothole is you can see your concentrate while it's decarbing. So a good rule of thumb is you're gonna see bubbles throughout the decarb process. And once the bubbles slow or completely stop, you know it's done. You'll also know it's done if the timer is up. But if you just wanna keep an extra eye on it, it's worth doing sometimes. Again, concentrates aren't cheap, but good rule of thumb, 240, 40 minutes. We're gonna get it decarbon. And this is 30 minutes in. As you see, I got a top view. I took the lid off. Don't recommend that. Leave the lid on and look through the pothole. I just want to give you a good view of what it looks like about 28, 30 minutes in. Now then, when that 40 minutes is up and the decarb is done, those bubbles have slowed, we're just gonna add a 1/3 cup of MCT oil and we're just gonna leave the concentrate container in there. That's a nice little hack. I'll show you later how it works with the fine strainer, but it saves you from getting your hands sticky and kind of losing any potency. Then we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna set the oven to 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and infuse for 2 hours. Then once that 2-hour time is up, see right on that money there when we took it out of the oven, that 190 mark. It went a little higher, but then just let it cool down, let it chill. And as you see, it's cooled down. It's at like 80 degrees. Just use the towel to take the probe out, just like that. It's a nice little way to go about it. Take the lid off. And here's what I meant by the fine strainer. We're just gonna dump it through. Be gentle, you don't want things splashing around, but that container just comes right out there. And it's a good way, so you don't have to scrape it out, get your hands dirty, get rosin everywhere, live resin in this instance. And there, we're done. We got our live resin MCT oil infusion, super clean, nice looking, smells great, and is gonna hit nice with a great flavor as well.